I am not Hannibal Smith. But I am Sandmax, and we are here with the wonderful Blacksnow Pangaea Gran Torino special version I made for this frame set. All my design, okay? I buy the frame set and I make this design to make the Blacksnow Pangaea so beautiful, versatile, and nice to drive, ride and commute, okay? Okay, you can see here the light. The front racket is a Veloci rocket rack chromium steel paint in black. Nice rack. It's a small rack, and I use it to help to carry the front bag. Here, cat eye light. This is a normal USB chrome light, and it works with a power bank over there. Here we have the sensor group, you already know, sensor 11 speed, 1150 cassette. In front we have a 34 Meroca, and we have a rock brass pedal, and we have also Meroca stem, 4 years drop bar. This is a silicone tape. We have the mirror here because the ride in the street here is really dangerous during the day. So you need always to check it out, what is going around yourself. Here we have the propulsor. Nice propulsor. It makes your bike go very fast. We have also this splendid propylene leather saddle with the chromium steel iron on the bottom. Here we have a suspension, vintage style suspension. Here, over there, nice. And also you have this, the bottle cage green that match. It's a lot of fetch. You can say everything matching the color. Is very nice. Also, yeah. Rock bros, dual pedal, SPD and flat. The brakes is the Zoom brake. As you know, I like the Zoom X-Tech. They are nice. They are not very expensive. The brakes, well. We have in front the iPro rotor 180, and in the back iPro rotor 160, and to finish everything, in the back we have the Ibera rack. It's a light rack. It keeps 25 kilos, so until it works, it will be okay for this bike. I cannot spend all my money for make. I need also to. And also, we have the fantastic Loca wheel set, 27.5 with 2.4 tire, Maxxis, ardent, yes, very resistant. And we are here, so far so good, and I leave you with this fantastic Monster Cross Adventure drop bar bike, and I am Sandmax, and I say you good night. Follow, like, subscribe and share, because I am so tired now and I need to go to bed. I will promise I will make more video, more interesting, also dream build, but also review of product prototype show up, and let's go. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe and share. Follow this channel. Sandmax. Live. Bye bye.